other tools track time, Clockk stacks time. We use lots of apps every day, often switching every few seconds. As you saw in the last video, Clockk stacks your time in multiple apps at the same time. When you assign the time in these apps to a project, the stack time gets combined. But the same logic that allows Clockk to stack time in multiple apps allows Clockk to stack time in multiple projects. We call this multi-attribution, but you may know it as double billing. Let's look at some scenarios where multi-attribution happens and what you should do about it. We've all been on that long, boring call where we keep working on something else more interesting. Clockk won't stop you from billing both projects. You're trying to work on client A, but client B keeps emailing you with questions and small changes. You end up with something like this. Which project deserves the bill? Maybe just one of them. Maybe the other. Maybe both, each a little bit. You're working for client A, but you've done something like this before for client B, so you pull up their materials to use as a reference. Just delete B's time. You're doing client work, but you're also messaging with your domestic partner about dinner, or you're joking around on Slack with colleagues. The client work is billable, the chit-chat isn't. You have options. Leave it as it is because reports on your personal time don't matter, or delete the time so you report your non-billable time correctly. But ask yourself, was I really working or was I just fooling around, and should I reduce my billable time a bit? Clockk can't read your mind and tell which project you're actually working on. Clockk is here to show you what it tracked and to give you the tools to bill your time accurately and fairly.